I have not filmed in such a long time and it's just like, ugh. I snoo my eye now. Ow. Okay, let's focus. Let's get it together. Let's kill this. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. So today's video is going to be the long-awaited fall decor tour. It's finally here. I'm so excited. It's been so long that I've been telling you guys I wanted to do this. It's just been crazy. Life has been so crazy with my parents' house and decorating that and getting that ready for them because they have not been in their home for about 4 months, which is so crazy. And if you guys follow me on social media, you guys would know that they dealt with a horrible flood about 4 months ago and they lost their house and everything in there. So that's been pretty crazy. The last 4 months have been pretty crazy. And then my husband started a new job and then so many other things happening behind the scenes. So my YouTube hasn't been priority and I'm so sorry for that, but you know, life happens. So that's why I've been missing on YouTube, but life has been so crazy, but I am back and I am so ready to start killing it and start putting out videos for you guys. So why not start off with this fall decor tour. I am so excited for this. I love the way my home turned out. It's so cozy and so warm. And I love decorating the fall because I love the colors of the fall, the burgundies, the mustard yellows, the rust colors. Oh, I just love that. So I am really excited for the way it came out. And when you walk in here, it just feels, I keep looking this way because my living room is over there. But I love the way it came out. I hope you guys love it. And yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Your girl's about to be maybe at like 3 videos a week, like kicking it old school like I used to. So I am so excited for my YouTube channel. I am also going to start incorporating different types of videos on my channel here. I actually have a video coming soon on the process of buying a home and what we went through and our experience with it. So that's gonna be coming soon. A lot of you guys have been asking me questions on home ownership and home buying. So I am excited to put out that video soon so you guys can see what we went through and all that stuff. And my background is in branding and marketing. That's what I went to school for. So I'm going to start making videos on how I make money as a social media influencer. I hate using that title, but like on YouTube, and just tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, and branding and marketing and all that fun stuff. That's like, aside from home decor, like your girl is like educated. Like I'm very business savvy. So I love speaking about that. Like my husband and I literally can have a conversation about business all day long. Like we love business and we love entrepreneurship. So there's way more than just home decor and organization and DIYs. On this channel. We're going to start talking about business and getting stuff done. So I am so excited for that, and I hope you guys are too. Of course, I'm still gonna do decor and DIYs and stuff because we still have a lot of DIYs to do. I'm looking up because, sorry, I have a lot of DIYs to do. I'm also going to be doing more budgeting videos and stuff like that. So if you guys have any video ideas or want to see anything on budgeting, on branding, marketing, write them down below and let me know. So I'm so excited for what's to come for my channel and everything else. So let's get started with this fall home decor tour video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So of course, the first thing I love to do is to light a candle. You guys, this candle right here is my new favorite candle. I recently bought like 4 of these and they are all over the house, as you will see later in this tour. It's from Hobby Lobby. I will link it down below if I find it, but it smells so divine. It is called Spice Cedar. So the next thing I'm doing is I am turning this lamp on, and I have to hide the cords because I'm a weirdo like that. But this is my entrance table right here, and I absolutely love the way it came out. It's very simplistic, but I love it. And as I pan out, that is my living room over there. So this welcome to our pumpkin patch sign is from Kirkland's. This candle, like I said earlier, is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm obsessed with it. And this pumpkin is from Kirkland. I adore it, and I love this sign. I always keep this sign up. It just says, "Bless the Lord, oh my soul," and that's from Hobby Lobby. And this little lantern decor, I just fill it with pumpkins, and I just love this little section. This is a TV stand that we had a while back. If you've been here for a while, you know this was our old TV stand. I'm going to paint it eventually, but I just haven't yet. So this is what is in the shelves, just a lot of pumpkins and fall decor. I love pumpkins. I have so many pumpkins throughout the house. And this little basket, I got it from Goodwill, and I just threw some pumpkins in there. It's super cute and just very neutral. And I bought those little boxes at TJ Maxx, and they ended up fitting perfectly into the TV stand. And I love this thankful, grateful, blessed sign in the bottom shelf. And I do get rid of my blue and white, but this rug is staying. So going into the living room, I love the way that floral bouquet looks. And here is an overview of the living room. The lighting wasn't the best. I'm sorry about that. It's been pretty rainy and gloomy here, so I need to take that blue and white piece out. But here are my living room shelves. I love decorating these shelves. This is my favorite part of decorating during the holiday season, or decorating these shelves. It's just so much fun to me. And I love incorporating my decor that I already have and my seasonal decor. I do get rid of all my blue and white stuff during the holiday season. My blue and white stays out from about February until August, September, depending on when I decorate for fall. This year I decorate a little bit later. This shelf with the garland for sure is my favorite. I love the way it looks. So moving on to where the mirror is, I had this lantern that I bought from Kohl's, I believe 2 years ago, and I just put this beautiful floral arrangement on it. It just looks more festive. And I also changed out my curtains. Normally these are blue and white curtains, but I changed them out to a really beautiful burgundy wine color. I love these. I got these from Walmart. I will link everything down below that I find from this video. So this I got from Ashley's, and the couches are from Ashley's as well, because I get asked all the time where my couches are from. And these pumpkin pillows are from Kohl's. I love them. And I brought in this thankful pillow from Kirkland's. It was out on my patio, but I decided to put them inside the house because they were so pretty. This candle, Cinnamon Embers, is from Hobby Lobby. And this beautiful lamp is from Kirkland's. I am obsessed with this lamp. I love it. This pillow is from Kohl's, I believe, as well. I will link it down below. This next pillow, I think it's from Kohl's as well. I kind of went Kohl's crazy a couple years ago. This pillow is from Kirkland's, and I brought it in from the patio. This throw is from Kohl's as well. It's from the Lauren Conrad collection. This is the softest throw blanket I've ever slept with, cuddled with. I love it. So normally I do a very festive tray for my coffee table, but this year I decided to keep it simple. Of course, you always need marshmallow fireside because that's the best candle to burn in the fall and winter. And I made this little floral arrangement. I love the way this looks, and I love the way my living room looks. It just feels so warm and cozy in there, and it's just our little happy place right now. We've been watching TV here, which is crazy because this TV is so small compared to our TV upstairs, but it's just so cozy, and we light up some candles, and it just feels so fall-like in there. We love it. By the way, this galvanized and black tray is from Pottery Barn. I will link it down below if I find it. I am obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. So going this way is my console table. I kept it very simple. I put a couple of pumpkin inspired decor, but for the most part everything stayed as is. And of course I have my wax warmer going, and I have my map that I am obsessed with. You guys know I love maps. So this is going towards my garage. This is the mudroom, I guess. I just put this welcome fall sign and some pumpkins and some greenery. I just love how simple this looks. I love these signs from Kirkland's, and that mirror is from Joann's. This little section is so simple, but it's just perfect. So this is behind the sofa table. That's the living room, and this sofa table is from Kirkland's. I kept it very simple. I just added some little fall decor, some pumpkins. So this is my dining room table. Once again, I have my spice cedar candle from Hobby Lobby that I love. And I keep my tablescape very simple. I normally do a Thanksgiving tablescape in November, so right now I keep it very simple. And I just put a little pumpkin. And this is my kitchen island. I didn't really decorate the kitchen this year. I just put this in the kitchen island. I love the way it looks though. It's very simplistic. So now we're going up the stairs to our loft. So for the loft, it's very simple. We haven't really decorated much in here. I just put out some throw blankets and some fall festive pillows. I bought these plaid pillows from Ashley's, and the fall pillow is from Kirkland's. So on my ottoman, I just have this wood tray with this beautiful fall flower arrangement. I put some little pumpkins in there. It just looks so cute. This wooden vase is from Goodwill. This is probably one of my favorite Goodwill finds. I thought it was so beautiful and it has so much character. And of course, we have another Spice Leader candle. I'm telling you guys, this candle is where it's at this year. I am obsessed. And just my remote for the TV. And as you pan up, that is my TV and the TV stand. I could not think of what that was called. So for the TV stand decor, I just put pumpkins all over. And as you can see, I need to wipe down this TV. It's very dirty. But yeah, I just love how simplistic this looks. I guess simplicity was the theme of this year, I feel like, because I just wanted to keep everything simple. And I just love the way everything came out. I'm so excited for fall, and I'm even more excited for Christmas. So if you guys enjoyed this fall tour, make sure you stay tuned for the Christmas tour, because I go even more crazy during Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for more fall videos. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload a video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at mylovelytexashome. And that's all I have for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.